Whilst not officially advertised as an ultra all-inclusive property, many previous guests said that the all-inclusive package at Swandor Topkapi Palace goes above and beyond what they expected. For example, several reviewers mentioned how convenient it was to have drinks available at multiple locations, including the beach, poolside, and lobby, without any restrictions or extra charges. Alcoholic options, branded spirits, fresh juices, and soft drinks are all part of the standard offering. The daily buffet meals are included, along with light bites and snacks throughout the day. Many families appreciated the ability to grab food on a flexible schedule, especially with children in tow. There's also a fully stocked in-room minibar, which guests confirmed is included and replenished daily. That detail alone stood out to many travelers who are used to paying extra for in-room refreshments at similar resorts. A few reviewers noted that room service was also available at no additional cost. While this may vary seasonally or by room type, it added an extra layer of comfort for those arriving late or preferring a quieter meal in. More importantly, guests consistently said they didn't feel the need to spend extra money once checked in, which reflects well on the value of what's actually included. For travelers who want to know exactly what they're getting up front, Swandor's all-inclusive package makes things refreshingly simple. It removes the need for upgrades or top-ups and gives you access to more than most properties at this price point. I'll break down all the key details as we go through the individual categories, including the exact prices for the rooms. But if you're ready to book, then the link in the top comment and description offers a massive 67% discount on all room types for a limited time only. Tucked along a private stretch of beach in Antalya's Lara district, the resort offers quick access to both the sea and the city. The drive from Antalya International Airport takes around 20 to 30 minutes, depending on traffic, making it a convenient option for short stays or family arrivals. Nearby attractions include Lara Beach, local shopping at Antalya Premium Mall, and cultural spots like the ancient city of Purge. Many guests mentioned the location struck a great balance between peaceful beachfront and easy day trips into Antalya. The most affordable option at Swandor Topkapi Palace is the deluxe room, which includes a double bed and a single, making it suitable for couples or parents with one child. At standard rates, this room is priced around $334 per night. But with the limited time 67% discount linked below, the total for a 4-night stay drops to around $440, just $110 per night. This is exceptional value for an all-inclusive 5-star beachfront property. For families needing extra space, the Deluxe Garden Family Room offers 2 separate sleeping areas and can comfortably accommodate 2 adults and 2 kids. It's ideal for those who want a bit of breathing room without paying for a suite. Reviewers often mention this room as a stress-free option, especially with younger children, thanks to the quiet garden view and easy access to outdoor spaces. At the higher end, the family duplex spans 2 floors with over 630 square feet of space, making it a smart choice for extended families or groups. It sleeps up to 5 guests and includes distinct sleeping zones across both levels, helping everyone enjoy privacy while staying together. This layout suits longer stays where comfort and separation matter, especially for multi-generational trips. Families looking for built-in entertainment will find the water park a standout feature. It's included in the all-inclusive plan and features multiple slides, splash zones, and a kids' pool, all monitored by lifeguards. Guests often commented on how clean and well-managed the space felt, even when the resort was full. The gym is better equipped than most, with proper weights, machines, and daily fitness classes. For those seeking rest over reps, the spa offers 11 treatment rooms, beachside massage options, and a traditional Turkish bath that several reviewers mentioned as a highlight of their stay. Beyond that, guests have access to a bowling alley, beach volleyball, and a supervised games room. Families also noted the convenience of the kids' club, which allowed parents to carve out proper downtime without leaving the resort. The Swandor offers a well-balanced lineup of entertainment that caters to different travel styles. For those looking to unwind with light evening activity, the resort hosts live music, themed performances, and cultural shows in an open-air theater. Guests often describe the atmosphere as lively, but not overwhelming, with a clear focus on quality and family-friendly content. Those wanting a more social vibe can take advantage of the on-site nightclub, which adds variety without requiring transport into the city. It's available as part of the all-inclusive plan and especially suited to couples or adult groups. Meanwhile, quieter spaces around the resort remain accessible for guests who prefer to relax after dinner without background noise. Food is one of the biggest highlights at Swandor Topkapi Palace, especially for travelers who value variety without sacrificing quality. The main buffet restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with rotating international themes, and guests consistently noted how fresh and well-presented everything felt. One reviewer even described the food as 10 out of 10, pointing out the balance between classic Turkish dishes and Western-friendly staples. For lighter options throughout the day, there are snack stations, a coffee corner, and even a beachfront restaurant where guests enjoyed lunch with ocean views. Many guests said the constant availability of food made the entire experience feel more relaxed. There was never a rush to make it to mealtimes. Several a la carte restaurants are also available on select evenings, offering Turkish, Mediterranean, and international menus. Reservations are required, but guests who booked ahead often rated them as a nice change of pace from the buffet. The staff across the dining areas earned consistent praise for being fast, friendly, and attentive, especially during busy hours. Families in particular appreciated how quickly tables were cleared and how easily dietary needs were accommodated. Overall, dining at this resort doesn't feel like an afterthought. It's a central part of the experience and a big reason why many guests said they would return. Whether you're traveling with children, sticking to specific food preferences, or just enjoy long dinners on the terrace, the variety here genuinely adds to the stay. While the resort delivers excellent value overall, there are a few things worth knowing before you book. Firstly, the property is large and spread across multiple buildings, so guests with limited mobility or families with young children may want to request a room closer to the central pool or dining areas. Crucially, the property is closed between November 1st and March 31st. Travelers visiting near the start or end of the season should expect a more limited schedule for outdoor facilities and some a la carte restaurants. Guests who stayed during April or October often mentioned that while the atmosphere was quieter, a few services were not fully operational. Previous guests said that English is spoken throughout the resort, however, response times can vary during busy periods. Most guests still rated the service highly, but those traveling with specific dietary needs or requests may benefit from a bit of extra patience. Room styling is traditional rather than ultra-modern, which suits the Ottoman palace theme. However, those expecting contemporary interiors or new-build luxury should know the design here leans more classic than cutting-edge. The Swandor sits in a rare sweet spot between affordability and having plenty to enjoy without needing upgrades. It's priced well below Antalya's ultra-luxury resorts, yet it delivers the kind of experience that many of them advertise. More specifically, you're staying in a beachfront resort with full-scale entertainment, a quality spa, and multiple dining venues, not a compact hotel trying to stretch a limited offering. There's enough variety here to keep different travel groups satisfied without needing to leave the property or look elsewhere for things to do. Several guests noted that they had stayed at higher-priced resorts in the same region and felt this one matched them in most areas that mattered. That speaks to more than just pricing. It reflects how the resort has been built to deliver a complete experience at a mid-range rate. The Swandor Topkapi Palace is a great fit for travelers who want a lot to do without needing to plan every detail. Families will find the setup especially practical. There's enough space, structure, and variety to keep kids busy without relying on off-site excursions. It's the kind of place where you can stay put for several days and still feel like you're getting a full holiday. It also suits couples or friend groups looking for a lively but balanced atmosphere. With multiple places to eat, drink, and relax, it offers freedom without requiring a huge budget. Just keep in mind the classic room styling and larger layout. Those looking for modern minimalism or boutique vibes may prefer a different type of resort. Overall, it works well for anyone who values ease, comfort, and solid facilities over luxury branding. If you're looking for a complete beach resort experience that won't overcomplicate your trip, this one delivers. Book it now at the best price using the link below, which includes that massive 67% discount for a limited time only if you act fast. Or check out my playlist appearing on the screen now for alternative all-inclusive places to stay in Turkey.